Not every paradise is found. Some are created. Welcome to Green Paradise by HCF Property, a one-of-a-kind eco-luxury estate on the untouched coastline of Lombok, Indonesia. Spanning over 9,182 square meters and rising across 4 sculpted levels. Green Paradise blends world-class design with nature-first values. Here, every villa is more than a residence. It's a retreat, a refuge, a reflection of a life well lived. This is more than a tropical escape. It's a legacy, crafted for global investors, digital nomads, and visionaries who see the future in nature. Green Paradise is now accepting early reservations. Own your escape. Invest in something enduring. Invest in paradise, where peaceful paradise becomes home.